In part 1, you saw that we started from Bhubaneswar in the Bhubaneswar Bangripuri Express and reached Baleswar for a 2-day trip. We stayed at the hotel Zyka International, where the room rent was Rs 2000 per night including the breakfast. On the day 1 of the trip, we started the day with the visit to the Panchalingeshwar temple, which is around 25 kilometers from Baleswar. After finishing the puja, we went to the Nilagiri Jagannath temple, which was on our way to Remuna, and had Mahaprasad there. On our third stop was the beautiful Imami Jagannath temple. I absolutely loved the place, and it is a great combination of Puri and Konark Sun temple. The last place we visited was the Khirochura Gopinath temple and had the darshan and prasad there. Now let's start the day 2.
Well, hey guys, it's Mitchell and this is my channel TSN Girls Lifestyle. So guys, this is the day 2 of our trip, and today we are in the Chandipur Sea Beach, which is only half an hour drive from Baleswar, which is very near to Baleswar actually. So the unique speciality of this beach is that this beach is a receding beach, which means in high tides it comes near to this place, like where you come and you sit and enjoy the beach, and in low tides it goes far away, so people have to go to find the beach. Like we are going now, we're gonna have a short walk to the beach. Chandipur is also famous for some missile testing here, which happens here. So now we're gonna have a walk, and let's see where the beach comes.
So guys, we have been walking since last 15 minutes and we have covered halfway. So the seawater is very near now. So let's go. We can do it. So guys, as you can see, we can see the sea water, but it's still very far as it is now also receding. But it was a great experience, and now we have decided to return back. But if you visit to Chandipur, you must visit this place once.
तो बढ़िया लगुच ना। The Balramgiri Radhakrishna temple, and the temple was unfortunately closed, but we feeded some amazing fishes. There were a lot of fishes, and here are some birds which are called turkey birds. Like you can see one there, they look like ostriches, and there are also many rabbits. You can come inside this field for only 10 rupees. So yeah, look at that one. See? They look like small hens, but this environment is just amazing. Like this atmosphere with these animals, like cute animals. It's just some small birds. There are a lot of things here you can see. on the other side, there's also an amusement park where you can go, but we are not going there. We'll go to some other place now. So guys, this is a blue lake which is near the Imami Jagannath temple that we visited yesterday. So this place, like, people come here to do some picnics and to enjoy some family time, some time with friends, to click some pictures. And it's actually a very nice lake. It has an island in between, as you can see. So yeah. Mentioned before that there was a special reason to come to Baleswar, which was a wedding, because now it's the wedding season. So the wedding marriages are going on, and we came to Baleswar for a wedding reception. So we are now in the reception. This is my dress. So this is my birthday dress which I wore on my birthday. Oh my god. So yeah, so we're gonna enjoy the wedding reception, and I'm gonna show you some glimpses of this reception. So guys, today is the day of our return, and we are returning to Bhubaneswar today. And if in the way something interesting comes, then I'll make sure to show you. So guys, while exploring, look what we have found. So this is the famous Bhadrakali temple, which is almost 700 years old, and this temple is very famous. Interestingly, the Bhadrak district and the Bhadrak place is named after this temple. So this temple, when we came here, the doors were closed because there's a certain timing, and the road from which you come here, it's very narrow. So and it's 10 kilometers from Bhadrak. So this is one of the 50 Shakti Peeths, and now the doors are open, so let's go in. My mother and my grandmom, they had some prasad, which is a Mahaprasad they have here for some few people only. So guys, that's about for this vlog, and if you like this vlog, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.